Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will discussing about the how to create the payment process profile in accounts payables to select the payments and make the payment. Or we need to define the payment process profile. So you need to log into a user who has the responsibility or role for setup and maintenance. Go to setup and maintenance. Go to your implementation project. And select the task manage payment process profile. Select the second one, financial. This is a navigation. Go to the task. So we will be creating the payment process profile for the bank that we have created in the last session, right? So I will just putting the link of that video where we have created the bank and bank branch and bank account. So you can just take a look on that. Click on create. Here we need to give the name. So we have created the account RBS. So for that account, I'm going to create the payment process profile. And you can put the code for that. I'm just taking it as a RBS underscore payment process profile. I'm going to put the same as a description. So the start date, we can change the start date from which date, suppose from January 2021. I want to put as a start date. Payment file process. So standard. The first one, because we have selected as a standard check payment format assigned to the bank as well. So I'm taking the same one here. So processing time is printed because we have assigned as a check as my payment method for the bank. So I have just selected for this payment process profile for printed. So if you want to just create one payment process profile for wire or electronic payment, so we need to select the another option which is electronic for electronic payments, right? So if we select the printed, so automatically payment file would be sent to the printer, or you can select as a automatically print after formatting. So this is a optional, we can enable or disable. So usage rule, let's go back to the line level. Usage rule, you can specify the particular payment method or assign it to this payment process profile. Suppose check. So I don't want to just currently I'm not specifying the payment method here. All it would be taken. So disbursement bank, you can specify. So let me take this specify that particular bank that we have defined. All right, RBS. Let me check. Let's check it again, the particular bank account. All right, I had given just a name of RSA instead of RBS. Let's take this account or assign it to, or for particular business unit also, for particular which business unit I want to run this. it would be defaulted at the time of making the payments. Suppose I'm going to defaulting for PMW new. Also, we can default the currencies as also specify for this particular payment process. But like in EBS, also we have this option. So payment system. So what type of payment system you want to select over here? You can select payment tab, unique remittance. So document grouping rule you can define like in as in EBS, and document limits also you can define the number of document as per payments to restrict the payment numbering and all. So payment 5 accompanying letter formats, what type of German, Swiss, what type of payment format and creation rule, that also the similar as the EBS that we can check. Payment limit also we can assign for the particular currency, number of payments and all these stuff similarly as a EBS. We can define and assign. You can also define the grouping, transaction grouping rules, payment date basis, disbursement bank account basis, or whatever the basis, all these options we have. Reporting, go to reporting and you can assign the format like payment file register format. So, or you can payment file register with document details. So I'm just selecting here and automatically submit the when payment are confirmed. Also positive pay configuration, we can select the file and by taking the help of DBAs, we can put the file extension over here, right? And this is the additional information. This is optional, purely optional. We can put over here or not. So just leave it and save it. Okay. And save and close. This is a confirmation we got. So this is how we can define the payment process profile in the cloud application, right? Regular cloud application. Hope you will be liking this video. Please like and share and please subscribe my channel. Also just click on the bell icon to get the notification of my new videos. Thank you so much. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.